Just when everyone was talking about Kimi K3, another major AI model may already be on the way. GLM 5.5 could be launching soon, and it's already creating headlines. Here's everything you need to know. Recently, one of the leaders at Z.ai posted a message suggesting that now might be the perfect time for developers to subscribe to the company's coding plan. While they didn't officially announce a new model, many people in the AI community took it as a strong hint that something major is about to launch. The biggest expectation is GLM 5.5, the successor to GLM 5.2. Even though GLM 5.2 hasn't been around for very long, it quickly gained attention because of how well it performed against much larger competitors. It proved that open models could compete with some of the best proprietary AI systems, especially for coding and reasoning tasks. The timing also makes sense. Just recently, Moonshot AI released Kimi K3, another powerful open-weight model from China. That release surprised a lot of people because its performance was far better than many expected. Instead of simply being another open-source alternative, it started competing with models from companies like OpenAI and Anthropic in several benchmarks. Whenever one company releases a breakthrough model, competitors are forced to respond. That's exactly what seems to be happening now. If the rumors are accurate, Z.ai is preparing its next-generation model much earlier than many expected. Of course, it's important to remember that none of these specifications have been officially confirmed. Most of the information currently circulating comes from leaks and industry discussions, so everything should be treated as speculation until Z.ai makes an official announcement. That said, the early rumors are certainly interesting. Several reports suggest that GLM 5.5 could feature more than 1 trillion total parameters, making it one of the largest open-weight models available. It's also expected to maintain a context window of around 1 million tokens, allowing it to process extremely large documents and complex coding projects in a single conversation. Another major focus appears to be autonomous coding agents. Instead of simply answering prompts, newer AI models are increasingly being designed to complete long, multi-step tasks with minimal human input. That's becoming one of the biggest trends across the entire AI industry, and GLM 5.5 is expected to continue moving in that direction. Some early discussions even suggest that it could outperform models like Kimi K3 and several other recently released open models. Whether that actually happens remains to be seen, but considering how impressive GLM 5.2 already was, it's certainly possible that Z.ai has another competitive release on the way. Beyond the model itself, Z.ai has also been investing heavily in infrastructure. The company recently announced the operation of a large data center built using Chinese-made AI chips. That's an important milestone because it reduces dependence on foreign hardware while giving the company more computing power to train future generations of models. Training frontier AI systems requires enormous amounts of compute, and expanding infrastructure is usually a strong sign that even larger models are being developed behind the scenes. What's especially interesting is how quickly China's AI ecosystem has evolved. Not long ago, most discussions about frontier AI focused almost entirely on American companies. Today, Chinese labs are consistently releasing highly capable open-weight models that are attracting developers from around the world. Many users are choosing these models not only because of their performance, but also because they're often more affordable and easier to access than some proprietary alternatives. This growing competition is great for developers. More competition usually means faster innovation, better performance, lower costs, and more choices. Every major release pushes competing labs to improve their own models, which benefits everyone using AI tools. However, that same competition may also be creating political pressure. According to recent reports, officials in the United States are discussing possible restrictions on Chinese open-source AI models. Some proposals include adding additional Chinese AI companies to export control lists or limiting access to certain technologies. If policies like these are implemented, they could significantly affect developers and businesses that currently rely on Chinese open-weight models. Supporters of these restrictions argue that they are necessary for national security and technology protection. Critics, however, believe they could reduce competition and limit developers' access to some of the most capable OpenAI models available today. At this stage, nothing has been finalized, and it's still unclear whether any of these proposals will become official policy. But the conversation itself shows how influential Chinese AI models have become over the past year. As for GLM 5.5, we'll likely learn much more once Z.ai makes an official announcement. If the current rumors turn out to be accurate, it could become one of the biggest open model releases of the year and add even more momentum to the rapidly evolving AI landscape. The competition between AI labs isn't slowing down anytime soon, and that's good news for developers, creators, and anyone following this space. Every new release is raising the standard, and it looks like the next chapter could arrive sooner than many people expected. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you posted as more official information about GLM 5.5 becomes available.